I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set the battery saver feature to automatically turn on when your battery gets down to a specific percentage on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Battery. A menu with battery options is displayed. Step 3. Tap Battery Saver. Battery saver options are shown. Step 4. Tap Schedule and Reminders. The associated menu opens. Step 5. Tap to toggle on, turn on based on battery level. A slider appears where you can choose the percentage level where you want to automatically turn on battery saver on your Android device. Step 6. Adjust the percentage where you want the battery saver feature to automatically turn on. This will be effective immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.